Okay there friends, this is meant to be a very short video. This is my Ivan's version of Halloween decoration. Let's take a little closer to my display. We gotta have a little bit of fun in this downtime, this dark and dreary time. A little bit of Spook to brighten up the spirit. It's been tough. It's been a very tough year. Cannot get any worse. But a little bit of fun to brighten up the day is what the doctor ordered. So here it is. A little bit of Spook. Ivan's version. Your short video. I hope you enjoyed.